how to turn off automatic focus on the iPhone or iPhone Air or literally any iPhone ever. That is how it works. And if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the built-in camera app has the autofocus feature turned on by default, right? So there is a temporary way to stop it from happening because you can click on a subject which appears on the screen, and of course the focus will be adjusted on that subject, but you can also hold down on it and the focus will be locked, right? So you see at the top, auto exposure and autofocus is currently locked, right? So it works, it kind of gets the job done because the phone is not using autofocus anymore, but it's just a temporary solution. So if you plan on shooting like more videos and want to be more professional with it, it's much better to get a third-party app from the App Store. One app I recommend in my videos is the Final Cut camera from Apple, which is freely available to be downloaded, right? So you'll be able to get it. And there you can control the focus manually, right? So you can enable the options, go to focus and switch it from automatic to manual, right? And you'll be able to control it like that. Nothing will be adjusted at all. So you are fully manual right here. One more feature which I like, by going to the settings and clicking on tools, I have the option to enable focus peaking, and that is a feature which highlights the subject which I'm currently focused on, so it makes it easier to distinguish if I'm actually focusing on the proper thing, during my video. So it gives me like this green outline look, so I know what's going on. So let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos as well. Thanks a lot. See you later.